Good morning, guys. I am here with our day 3 morning message for week 5. This week we're working on research question number 4, and we're working on learning about how our job is different in different places. So I told you guys that we are researchers currently throughout this whole unit. So I'm going to start off my morning message with my greeting. Researchers. All right, so by the end of this week, each of you will have written a well-reasoned or researched opinion piece on research question number 4. So remember, we do RQ number 4. Today, you will practice generating. Generating means you will practice making or coming up with an opinion. That is worth writing about. And then you will focus on making sure you use linking words. And we use linking words to help connect your supporting evidence to your opinion. Raise that up. To your opinion. All right, period. That is the end of that sentence. Now let's look back at our morning message real quick. And it says, researchers, by the end of this week, each of you will have written a well-researched opinion piece on research question number 4. Today, you will practice generating an opinion that is worth writing about. And then you will focus on making sure you use linking words to connect your supporting evidence to your opinion. We've talked a lot about linking words lately. All right, so let's go back in, and there's some different skills that we're going to look at, but we're also going to look at our power words because power words are super important for us to all be able to recognize and identify and read. We'll start off with our green ones. By the end of this, each of you will have written a well-researched opinion piece on is another one of those green level power words. On research question number 4 today, you will is also another one. The word and, the word that, and is, and then we have and again. Then you and will on you to, and we have to again at the end. All right, and then we have some blue power words in here. So the word each is a blue power word. And we've seen the word today before in our morning message as a blue power word. So that's another one. And then let's see, the word about is a blue power word. And let me see, I think that is pretty much, oh, the word use is a blue power word. And then the word is a blue power word. So we had quite a bit of blue power words today too, right? I don't see any red power words, but I do see some skills that we can, oh, wait, I'm wrong. I do see a red power word. I see the word peace in there, and that is a red power word. Is it only in there one time? Let's look through. Yep, that is the red power word that I see. Now let's talk about a couple of different skills that I see. The first one I see is a vowel team. Do you see the vowel team that I'm thinking about? It's within our first sentence of our morning message. I see E, E makes that long E sound, eek, right? And then I see some other skills that we can think about when we look back at our writing. So one thing I noticed that I wrote out a lot was the words you will. I could shorten that. I could make it into a contraction. Do you know what the contraction of you will would look like? So if I wanted to make this into a contraction, I could mark these out and we could write you'll like that. And I have it right there. I could do it right here. And let's see again. So there's 3 different spots. So that is a contraction that we can use to shorten up our writing. For this one, we put you and will together and it'll make you'll. I don't see any others I can make, but I did see a lot of our endings that we've been talking about. I saw a lot of INGs in there. So supporting, making, and right here, make is one of those words that you have to drop the E because when we write the word make, it's M-A-K-E, so we have to drop that E and then add the I-N-G, right? So sometimes to figure out what the word is, you got to find that root word and think about it. Same with write. We had to drop the E because it's right, and we know to make that vowel say its name, we're going to have that silent E at the end, right? So I dropped the E and added ing. Same thing with generating. It was generate. I dropped that E and add the ing. And then I also added a different ending that we haven't seen a whole lot. Oh, there's another ing. Let me circle that one. I didn't have to drop anything there. But the ed ending, remember the ed ending can make 3 different sounds. It can make the d, the ed, and the t sound, okay? So in the word researched, I hear the t sound at the end. but that's ed, and ed makes those 3 different sounds that you can hear at the end of the word. All right, guys, I will see you tomorrow morning.